Hey everybody, this is Haywood, and here's a financial teaching that'll help you guys market your YouTube channel with Quora. Now, we're looking at Quora.com right now. So go to that website and you can sign in. As a matter of fact, you can click log in. You can log in with your Facebook or your Gmail account, or just go ahead and sign up for an account. Now, what Quora is basically information. Just a big information site. And people ask questions. If you're knowledgeable about the answers to the question, go ahead and answer the question. That's what I do. I'm on here to help. Now, you can help and also grow your YouTube channel at the same time. More views, more subscribers for your videos, okay? So remember, go to Quora.com, go ahead and sign up for free. So I'm already logged in. And as you can see, answer. So you see these questions here. You can click answer to answer the question. So let me give you an example of posting your YouTube channel into that answer. So let's click on, and I'm going to go to your content. And on my content, it says your answer to how do I get free traffic to my landing page. So let's click that. And I answered the question. Now make sure you answer the question first before you leave the link to your YouTube. Now this is a link to the YouTube channel I'm promoting. Okay. And after they read the answer to the question, they're going to see this and they can click it and it'll open up the YouTube page. So if you click this, it's going to go to this. Now, if you have a YouTube channel, make sure you have your Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter connected to it up here so people can see that. And then, of course, if you're familiar with YouTube, you can generate a lot of new leads, potential sales, and subscribers for whatever business, product, or service you're promoting, okay? So make sure that your YouTube channel is completely set up and full of great content. And when I say good content, I don't mean garbage content, nonsense. It needs to be specific to the subject of the channel. So this channel, Wisdom, Teaching, and Intellect, that's what you should expect from the videos. So let's go back to Quora. You saw my example. Answer the question. Leave your link here. Quora automatically translate the link into the subject of what the website is. So leave your link here, and Quora gets millions of views per day. You can look it up for yourself. But set up your account on Quora, and then answer questions. Answer only the questions that you're knowledgeable about, that you have experience in. Okay? Then make sure your YouTube channel is set up completely. You need to have it. I said have at least 15, 20 videos. That way, if people want to devour your content, they can go through and devour your content. And if you're promoting a business, product, or service, make sure you leave your website inside your videos on YouTube. And in the description of the videos, leave your websites there too. You never want to miss a chance to get a new lead and generate income. So I hope this helps you with your lead generation and your marketing for your YouTube channel. So with that, I'll be talking to you guys later.